Hello everyone, welcome to Geeks for Geeks. In this video, we will introduce what is circular linked list and what are the applications of circular linked list. So, let's first understand what is circular linked list. Circular linked list is a linked list where all nodes are connected to form a circle. There is no null at the end. A circular linked list can be singly circular linked list or doubly circular linked list. For example, consider a given linked list 2, 5, 7, 8, 10. In this linked list, there is no null at the end and last node, which is 10, is also connected to head node of the linked list, thus forming a circle. So this linked list is a circular linked list. There are many advantages and applications of circular linked list. Let's see some of them. First advantage is that we can traverse the whole list starting from any node, means any node can be starting point. We just need to stop when the starting node is visited again. For example, in the given circular linked list, if we start from node 7, we can traverse all nodes since last node is connected to first node and can stop traversal when we again reach the node 7. Circular linked list can be helpful in implementation of queue. We don't need to maintain two pointers for front and rear if we use circular linked list. We can maintain a pointer to the last inserted node and front can always be obtained as next of last. Another application of circular linked list is that these are used by operating system in order to put the applications on the list and then cycle through them, giving each of them a slice of time to execute and then making them wait while the CPU is given to another application. It is convenient for the operating system to use a circular list so that when it reaches the end of the list, it can cycle around to the front of the list. Last but not the least, another form of circular linked list, which is circular doubly linked lists, are used for implementation of advanced data structures like Fibonacci heap. With this, we end our tutorial. Thank you for watching. Please leave us your likes and comments.